Hi, Kerry here from My Cloud Bookkeeping. If you subscribe to the Essentials or Plus plan in QuickBooks Online, you have the option to add 3 additional fields to your invoices. You could use this for anything from entering a purchase order to perhaps tagging a salesperson. Let's go and have a look and see how it works.
So we'll pop up to the gear icon on the top left, Account and Settings. We'll have a look under Sales and we'll ignore this bizarre message that's popping up in the sample company. We'll go down here and we have the option for custom fields, and you can see that it's currently turned on. We can name them whatever we wanted. I think I'd suggested that we may want to have purchase order, put a purchase order number in. This is something that we would want the client to see, so we'll see it internally and public. The suggestion above was crew. That might be something that you want to manage, but you might not want the client to see. And then maybe a salesperson as well would be something else that you could use, so salesperson here. And you might want your client to see that because perhaps they want to know who to contact or who they're dealing with. Well, we'll save these options and see what it looks like on our invoice. So let's pop up here to New, create an invoice, and look at this. We have our purchase order, our crew, and our salesperson. So let's just make one and we'll have a look and see what it looks like when we send it. So we'll pop something in here for Amy, or let's just add all this billable time that we created earlier. We'll put a purchase order number of 1026. The crew is going to be the West crew, and the salesperson, why don't we let that be Emily, because she did the work. So if we save this now and we print or preview, let's have a look and see what it looks like. We have the purchase order number and the salesperson, but the crew didn't show up. So you can see how you have some additional options to track things for you and for your customer. Now I'll show you what you can also do in the reporting. Now here we have a report that shows our sales by product or service. Let's customize this to include those additional fields that we put on our invoice. So let's choose to filter this report by only salesperson Emily. And we'll run the report, and we can see now the only item that's showing up is the one that we tagged as being billable from Emily. So having these additional fields on your invoice also enables you to run reports using different parameters. You could use this for determining perhaps commission payments or even different locations, and that would save you having to upgrade to a Plus plan for the location tracking. So there are a lot of different ways that you can utilize the custom fields in the invoices, and hopefully you can find a way to make it work for your business.
Be sure to check out the link below that has an access to my blog post that walks through all of the different features. Click like, subscribe, and then you'll know when the next video is available. Cheers.